No seu livro, a senhora diz que esse desencontro, esse descasamento entre as mudanças que já aconteceram, as mudanças tecnológicas, demográficas, do mundo do trabalho, essas mudanças que já aconteceram e o nosso contrato social e o nosso estado de bem-estar social que nós herdamos do século XX, que esse descasamento já cobrou um preço. A senhora fala, de certa forma, houve uma sensação de fracasso desse nosso estado de bem-estar social e do contrato social, além do estado de bem-estar social, e que isso teria ajudado na ascensão dos populismos, por exemplo, que nós vimos. Quer dizer, teria ajudado no Brexit, teria ajudado na eleição do Trump, teria ajudado na eleição do Bolsonaro no Brasil. Ao mesmo tempo, então isso é algo que já aconteceu, nós já pagamos esse preço. Ao mesmo tempo, a senhora diz que a gente está numa espécie de encruzilhada, em que a gente pode tentar mudar finalmente esse contrato social ou a gente pode empurrar com a barriga e continuar do jeito que está. Se a gente não mudar, se a gente não fizer nada, quais são as consequências? O que de pior pode, o que ainda mais pode nos acontecer?
Well, I mean, I think we are already in many societies seeing a level of political division that is very, very high. And that's very worrying. You know, one of the most interesting pieces of research that I have seen recently looked at how different countries experienced COVID. And what was fascinating was there were some things you can't really control, the age of your population or the degree of obesity you have. And obviously more obesity means you have more negative effects of COVID. But the thing that mattered most for how countries did was the degree to which there was trust in government and trust in each other. So countries where people trusted the government had very low levels of illness and death relative to others. And for me, that trust shows that society had a good social contract, that people trusted their government, they trusted each other, they did good public health measures, they wore masks, they got vaccinated, and so on and so forth. And so for me, in some ways, this recent experience with COVID is a really good test of what happens when we allow our social contract to break and we lose the trust that holds society together. And you know, the pandemic is a good example of what happens when these things don't work well. We've already had a wave of populist politics around the world. We are seeing conflict again emerging in many countries. You know, I think it's interesting. It's not just in Europe. You know, we've had more coups d'etats in Africa in the last couple of years than we've had in recent decades. So we're seeing this political instability manifesting itself around the world. And, you know, that is the danger. That is the danger, I think, if we don't tackle these issues and give people a real sense that everyone in society has the chance to have a better life.